Jai Hind children. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Roman numerals. The Romans had a different system of writing numbers. They used 7 letters of the alphabet as basic symbols. These were used to write all numbers. Roman used 7 letters of alphabet to denote numbers. These are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And their values are I denote 1, V denote 5, X denote 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. While writing numbers from 1 to 13 in Roman numerals, the numerals I, V and X are used. You can see in the table given, I denotes the numeral 1, II denote the numeral 2, III denote the numeral 3. But we cannot write II for the numeral 4. There are some rules which were used to write these numbers. Let us see the rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule number 1. Symbols I and X cannot be repeated more than 3 times to form a numbers. You can see in example given, I represent the numeral 1, II represent the numeral 2 and III represent the numeral 3. But we cannot write III for the numeral 4 because I cannot be repeated more than 3 times. There are some rules you will come to know later. In the same way, X is equals to 10. XX is equals to 10 plus 10, that is 20. And XXX is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. And we cannot write XX, 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 4x for the numeral 40 because x also cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Okay. Now see rule number 2. Symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. For example, we cannot write VV for the numeral 10. It is wrong. We also cannot write LL for the numeral 100. It is also wrong because V, L and D cannot be repeated. Now see rule number 3. A symbol of smaller value before a symbol of greater value means subtract smaller from greater. That means a smaller numeral written to the left of a number of a greater value means subtraction. See the examples. IV. Here V denote 5 and I denote 1. So IV, the value of V is 5 and I is on the left of V, which is smaller. So it is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. In the same way, Ix is equals to 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay. Now see rule number 4. A symbol of smaller value after a symbol of greater value means add smaller to greater. That means a smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of a greater value means addition. See examples. Vi is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, as the value of the value of V is 5 and I is on the right of V, which means add according to rule number 4. In the same way, Xi is equals to 10 plus 1, as the value of x is equals to 10 and I is equals to 1. And I is on the right side, it means we need to add, as 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, writing numbers up to 39. The same symbols I, V and X are used to write the numbers up to 39. Here we follow rule number 5. Using a combination of the symbols I, V and X, we can write numbers up to 39. For expressing numbers greater than 10, the numbers are first split into terms of tens and ones. Examples: XII is equals to, the value of x is 10, the value of II is 2. Therefore, 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. See the next example. XXI is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 1, that is equals to 21. Next is XXXII, which is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2, and it is together makes 32. And another one is XXXIX, which is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 30 plus 9 is equals to 39. As 3x is equals to 30 and I is the smaller value which is on the left of x. So we need to subtract according to the rule number 3. So 10 minus 1 is equals to 9, which is 30 plus 9 is equals to 39. Children, note that there is no zero in the Roman system. The system does not use place values to write numbers. Instead, the numbers are obtained by rules of addition and subtraction. So children, these are all about Roman numerals. Hope you understood. If you face any difficulty or confusion, you can call me. Thank you.